everybody! Today I brought some beautiful, cute eggplant. With this eggplant, let's make a delicious side dish. This is pan-fried eggplant. And in Korean, gaji-gui. In 10 minutes. So quick and easy and so delicious. I gotta use that maybe 14 ounce, around 400 grams. Let's get started. We gotta remove the stem. And slice just lengthwise around 1/4 inch thick. Then, today we are going to make around 2 to 4 servings. Sprinkle flour. We are going to coat this. 2. Turn it over. I will use just 4 tablespoons, which is 1/4 cup. Now, we gotta make a seasoning sauce. So I don't need to add some sugar, but instead I use mirin. Mirin by itself is sweet and it has a kind of a flavor. And when I make that kind of marinated beef or pork, I use mirin. But I treat this my eggplant as like meat. So I use mirin. 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. 3. And then gochugaru, 1 tablespoon. Then 2 garlic cloves. And 3 green onions. What I like about this method is I don't squeeze any moisture inside. We eat all of this eggplant. And more tips is that this is seasoning sauce, and then I'm going to cook a little bit together. So mixing, and then before that, just we use, what is it? What is missing? Sesame oil. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Mix this. This is seasonings, my favorite seasonings. So let's cook. Let's heat up the pan over medium heat. Not too high. This I'm using olive oil, but you guys can use any type of cooking oil. Lots of oil, generously. And like this. From now, cook until buttons are just light brown. And flip it over. And then I'm going to add more cooking oil. So total I use around 1/4 cup. 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons. And flipping over. Just keep rotating this until these both sides are a little light brown. Time to add the seasoning. and then turn over again. So turn off and just the seasoning side up. All these seasonings, very nice. You want to sprinkle something? Yes. My rice. Of course, you can eat more side dishes like kimchi and some more side dishes and soup. But I want to focus on my gaji-gui. Wow, like kind of a steak. So first, rice. Oh my, so good. Sweet, soft, and then very tender, and also a little crispy, almost like some grilled barbecue meat. So you guys are vegetarian or vegan, of course you gotta make this one. How would you like it? Anybody will make it. So, but there is some tips. I love that just that we don't waste any single moisture from the eggplant. We eat all. Today, I showed you how to make Korean gaji-gui, pan-fried eggplant. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.